Now we're going to look at what it looks like when we have negative integers that are combined with exponents. So our first example here, we have to evaluate parentheses -2 to the power of 2. These parentheses here show you that the exponent applies to everything inside the parentheses, including that little negative sign. So the math problem for this one, we're multiplying -2 times -2. So if we look at our tic-tac-toe board for the sign for our answer, and we do 2 times 2. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4. And then we're multiplying a negative times a negative, which gives us a positive. So our answer for that one is 4. Now this second one here is -5 to the power of 2. So this exponent only applies to the 5. So this negative sign here comes outside, and we're going to remember to put it in our answer. Then we're multiplying 5 2 times. So 5 times 5 is 25. So our answer to this one is -25. And our last one here, evaluate -4 to the power of 3. So again, 3, the exponent, applies to everything inside the parentheses. So we're multiplying -4 times -4 times -4. So if we break this down, -4 times -4, 4 times 4 is 16. Negative times negative is positive. So now we're doing 16 times -4. 16 times 4 is 64. And a negative times a positive gives us negative. So our answer for this one is -64. So let's try some together. And our first one is -5 to the power of 2. And we have the exponent applying to everything inside the parentheses. So this one is -5 times -5. 5 times 5 is 25. And a negative times a negative is a positive. So our final answer for that one is 25. Over here, -4 to the power of 2. 2 only, exponent only applies to the number, so that negative sign comes out front. And we're doing 4 multiplied twice, or 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, and we bring that negative sign down. So the answer to this one is -16. Down here we have -3 to the power of 3. The exponent applies to everything inside the parentheses. So we have -3 times -3 times -3. Take it 2 numbers at a time. -3 times -3. Well, 3 times 3 is 9. Negative times a negative is a positive. So now we have 9 times -3. 9 times 3 is 27. And a positive times a negative is negative. So our final answer is -27. And our last one over here is -2 to the power of 3. Exponent only applies to the 2. So we pull this negative sign out front, and we're multiplying 2 3 times, or 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 4 times 2 is 8. And we bring this negative sign back down. So our final answer for this one is -8.